know that the whip got 2 doors. My car better than my purse like Uno. My neck flows like Pluto. Beat a nigga ass like sumo. Got a bad bitch, need 2 more. Free champagne in the limo. She got her head out the window.
Next, I'm about to bring to you a Camaro. What year you got?
91.
A 91 Camaro Rs.
Yep.
I got my man right here. What's going on? What's your name, brother, if you want to say it?
My name Dennis Battle.
Dennis, okay.
Yeah.
What you got here?
91 Camaro with a small block, 383 in it.
383?
Yep.
Ooh, looking nice too. Looking nice. Came up the block sliding. We heard you coming.
Yeah. She does that.
Huh?
Yeah, she turns up.
Yeah.
I be terrorizing the street. What up, fool? What's that?
Clean one. Got the IROCs on here for the IROC. Boy, clean right here. I like this. As soon as you hit the corner, I heard T-tops. T-tops. This boy's super clean. How long have you had it?
I've been had this car for about 14 years.
Ooh, about 14 years. Oh, this ain't going nowhere then.
No, she ain't going nowhere. I thought about selling it, but no.
That's a good paint job on there.
Paint job about the oldest I've been having.
Oh,
I got
wow.
paint the first year I got it.
Oh, wow.
Yep.
And it's been on ever since?
Been on ever since. It don't never see no snow, none of that.
Yeah, this one clean. My brother had one of these, and it's a crazy story because the one he had, he bought it from my sister. She had her boyfriend at the time, and he had bought it from Canada. You know when people were sneaking cars from Canada?
Yeah.
So he had bought it from Canada, drove it back. He ended up selling it to my brother. My brother was probably 16, maybe 15 at the time. And the car was not running right. And the only thing we did to it, it had a 305 and it ran like a 350 though. But the only thing we did, we changed the spark plugs, gave it a tune-up.
Yeah.
He crashed it. It turned into a whole different car.
I don't like did everything in this car, man, from the rear end to everything.
Okay, rear end did?
Yeah, everything, man. I had to see the car.
Posi?
Yeah. You got to see the 411 gears.
411, okay.
Yep. Got a 350 turbo transmission in. With
Okay.
4,000 stall converter.
Okay.
Yep. Shift kit. Yep.
It's mud nice.
Yep. Got a nice little rumble to it.
And the crazy thing in it, not to be saying nothing crazy, but I wouldn't expect no person like you to hop out of it. This boy clean. Not saying it like that, but like an old, you know what I mean? It look real good. You know what I mean?
I'm about, this probably be my last time driving this.
Man.
I'm about to put it up because I don't drive. I'm going to take the insurance off of it. I'm about to put it up.
And the crazy.
I'm about to do the suspension on it over the winter.
Okay.
Yeah.
And that's my favorite color, red and black.
Yeah.
That's my favorite color. Yeah, man, I appreciate this. I'm gonna get some more video of your car with the good camera, but I really appreciate you pulling up, bro, because you didn't have to.
Right.
And I'm gonna give y'all the YouTube where y'all can check them out. Y'all gonna see y'all cars. And I'm going over the whole city doing this to everybody. If they want to show it, they can show it. If not, they don't have to. But I'm going through the whole city.
I appreciate you showing it, man.
Man, I appreciate you. I really do.
Anytime, bro.
Oh yeah. This RADJE, we out here doing personal vlogs, pulling up on everybody in the neighborhoods with their toys, showing everything. If you want your cars to be on the channel, go to my, send a message to my email, RADJE00@gmail.com. And I promise you I'll come to you. want to give a shout out to Pooh. I want to give a shout out to Dave. I want to give a shout out to Deon, and I want to give a shout out. I can't even remember my man's name. I'm sorry, bro, but I want to give a shout out to you too for letting me see your Camaro. Y'all didn't have to do that. I appreciate y'all supporting me, and you know, if you need something, call me. If I can help you out, I will. You know what I mean? Everybody else, like, share, subscribe, press the notification button so when the videos drop, y'all can get the videos. Please, you know what I mean? I need them subscribers going up. I'm about to bring the content to y'all. Let's keep it going. I'm out.
You know that the whip got 2 doors. My car better than my purse like Uno. My neck flows like Pluto. Beat a nigga ass like sumo. Got a bad bitch, need 2 more. Free champagne in the limo. She got it.